Right, so that's looking good. And those of you who've been watching me for a while will know that there was a big old bench here with lathe on it, sander, a couple of bits and pieces, some wood, bits and pieces, some drawer units underneath. And I was on a pallet to reach my lathe, and all of this and all of that, and that's the top, which I've split apart, and a lot of that there. So this area is changing to make way for a new bench to get 4 benches in for students, so that I can have one, and then that leaves 3 benches free. Well, when they're not full of stuff. Oh, and these. What do I do with those? I know, though, I was told they were made by previous owner. They were made at Rover, at Longbridge, and they are serious. They were over there and over here with this 8-foot long plank top on it, and they're incredibly heavy. So what do I do with those? Is anybody interested in 2 huge cast iron bench top end things, whatever they are? They're about 750 mil high, and they're heavy. They weigh a lot. If you're interested, let me know. I could do with them out of here. They're not going to be free. But yeah, no new bench on there, storage up that corner, which is what this is for, and those shelves are for. I'm going to make some shelving floor to ceiling for lots of wood bits and offcuts and all sorts that can go in there to take them off the surface over there. These will go under a bench. These are drawers. Drawers will go fitted back under a bench, but the space is feeling fantastic. I know it's a mess. These boxes here go underneath the shelving. You can just see one there. There'll be 2 going underneath the back of there. So those 3 boxes will be, again, for wood from over there. That will be storage all around there. So this store corner will be fantastic. So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you again soon. Busy day. Lots to do. Take it easy.